All right, guys, I am standing outside Aurora Hotel and Resort Clark, up here on Clark. You're asking yourself, where is that? Where is it located? Because you're not going to believe this. If you can remember, let me walk and I'll talk a little bit. If you can remember, about a year ago, I wandered up here around where Aqua Planet is. All right, up around Aqua Planet, there were the old housing units from the Air Force Base. Let me show you. Here's the old housing units from the Air Force Base. I had gone in here, I showed you around, went into a few of them, but you can see it's all grown up, it's all grown over, but those were the old Air Force housing, all through here. Well, guys, guess what? Guess what? The one area about 2 years ago or so, give or take, I was up here and they were cleaning up the fence line and everything. It looked just like what I showed you. Guys, beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me show you. Here's the outside, what they've done to it. Check it out. That's the outside. It's all cleaned up now. It's painted, it's fenced. They've got houses in there now. They've got little resort, I would call them houses. I would call them full houses. It's just amazing the progress they did up here. Right behind me is Aqua Planet. To the right of me is a Clark Safari. This is the newest, biggest thing going on up here. So we are going to, I'm going to take you a little walk through here. I'll show you the progress, the amazing progress that has been done up here. All right, so here's the gate you got to go through. They've got these beautiful, amazing, nice security ladies here.
Hello, sir.
Hello. You would stop and speak with them and they'll give you permission to come through here. I'm going to link to Facebook, their Facebook page down below. You can contact the resort itself. They will fill you in on everything you need to know. But look at this. These were the old military homes that they refurbished, redid. All these through here. I mean, look at this. No, somebody's going to say, what, did the Koreans buy this up? No, from speaking to the woman, she told me a very successful Filipino businessman acquired this property, and he took this over and turned this into this just beautiful resort. You can see up over there, top of the camera, there's the Aqua Planet. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths inside these. Rent by the day, by the month. I know this might shock some of you, but they get 20,000 pesos per day and 200,000 pesos if you rent it by the month. I'm telling you, they're beautiful inside. You are paying for good quality. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, big living room, big kitchen. Amazing. Amazing inside. But I'm glad to see they left some of the acacia trees still up and about. It almost seems like they followed the same road pattern as when the air base was here. They are finishing up a restaurant area. They're going to have a restaurant area up in here. They're building a pool in here. They are doing a lot in here. I'm just gonna walk around this whole area. That way you guys can see what's going on. Look at that big acacia tree. That's a monster. Guys, this used to be the old air base housing. Some of you guys remember. Some of you guys told me, yes, I stayed up in that area. I lived up in that area. But this is what it looks like now. Right in front of us is where they're building the pool. This is all in progress. I'm blown away from what it looked like to what it looks like now. All separate homes. Air conditioning. Every room has air conditioning in it. There, and we'll get over here. I'm going to show you these A-frame cabins over here. Once I get over here, I'll show you. I just want to show you what it looks like. Here we go. These A-frame structures here, these will also be for rent. I'm sure considerably cheaper. What did she tell me? I can't remember. Go onto the Facebook page. 1 or 2 bedrooms, of course its own bathroom, its own shower. I can't get in there. Like I said, they're still working on everything. Has its own little area outside to stand. She even told me that they're in the works right now, that there's gonna be, what did she tell me? A couple fast food restaurants are gonna be up in this area. I mean, this is a great place to come, hang out for the day, overnight, big family. I'd bring a big family with 4 bedrooms. They're gonna work a deal with Aqua Planet. It's part of the package to stay here, and also with the zoo to stay here. But here is the back, the other gate area, the other back gate area. But here's the front of your A-frame homes that are going to be available for rent. If I'm not mistaken, there were houses here, and it looks like they took them down to put these A-frames up here. Let me scoot in here quick. What's up, buddy?
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Let me give you a sneak peek, kind of what they look like inside. 1 bedroom? Koya?
Yeah.
1 bedroom. Okay, these are 1 bedroom, but really nice, huh? Let me walk on his little path here quick. 1 bedroom. You got 1 bathroom in here. But very nice. Very nice. They say, couldn't tell you how much they run. You'd have to go on their Facebook and speak to them. How many they got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 so far. What's up, guys? This was the other gate. Maybe this is your main gate coming in, and the other one in the back is like a back gate. This may be the main gate coming in. I went through there when that was all grown up and everything. To come back in here, they're still working down through there. Light lamps. There is so much growth going on Clark. It's just amazing how much growth there has been going on. I spoke to a couple subscribers that were stationed here when the air base was here, and they're like, it's unrecognizable. So much has changed, so much has grown. But you gotta, it's almost like it's like looking for, it's like going on an Easter egg hunt. If you were stationed here, you know, when the air base was here, to try to find the old structures and the old buildings, and you know, because everything has changed. Everything. See, that's one by itself there. All of these are same. 4 bedrooms, she told me. 3 baths. They're all the same. Kitchen, living room, TVs, they're all the same, but I'm just impressed. And from my understanding, she told me the area across the street was also bought by the same gentleman. So what are they going to do there across the street? Who knows? I guess time will tell, see if they build more or what they do. But I wanted to roll through here. I know this is a short video, but people ask me about it, and I've been wanting to come up here and I've been wanting to check it out. So like I said, I will leave their Facebook information down below. If you are interested in anything, you want to know more about it, contact them via Facebook. Don't ask me the questions. They can better answer all your questions. Remember, Aurora Hotel Resort Clark. Talk to them. All right, I'm going to roll around here real quick and show you what it looks like from the outside. That was the main gate, I think, coming into the area here. But boy, is it, I know I said this before, but wow, I to see it, the before and after, I guess is what's amazing to me, how everything has changed up here. But that whole fence line at one time was grown over with weeds and you name it, it was grown over. Right here in front of us is your Aqua Planet, right there. Just want to shoot around here quick so you can see it, what it looks like from the outside. And like I said, they still have construction going on. They do have a, did she tell me, an opening, a soft opening here at the end of the month. She said they've already have reservations for people coming in. So, wow, that's another entrance appears. I got to get up here when it's completely done. But the staff in there, the management in there, very friendly, very helpful, very nice. I kind of give you an idea what it looked like. Right there. What you're looking at right there is what the outside of this place looked like, all grown up. Let me show you real quick. Let me when you drove down this road, both sides of the road look like that. Everything was grown in. To the right is where it's still overgrown and still where the old housing unit of the Air Force used to be. But there it is.